this is Melissa, and I'm happy here to introduce a video for you, as you should know. And we will meet at the end of this month, and I'm so excited to look into the trip. I would like to have a brief introduction of our company, about SunShine, about our team, and about our factory. So here. So in this video, we will have a brief introduction of our company, and you will follow this video and to follow me. This is our company ahead. And the next step, I would like to introduce our sample room. Take a look with me. Okay, let's get here. Here, this is our new sample room. As you can see, this is our key product of the cable. That is what we have cooperated for many years for the products. As right now, we have our own factory, our production team, so it will be growing fast for the cable products. And this side is for the cable boxes. As I mentioned to Valentina last year, like in Google Trends, the bakery box the heat is more higher than the cake box. So after 1 year's running, our bakery box, the business is growing so fast. Except the cake boxes, like different cupcake box, the cookie box, and the colored box, and also the handle box and the dessert box. For all these boxes, after 1 year's running, we have made a very successful and strong supply chain for the boxes. So I think in the new year and after those years, cake boxes and the bakery boxes would be a very, very hit product. And I would like to talk with you in the meeting with you, so maybe you will have more interest for these products. And except the cake box and the cake boxes, the last year we also established a very strong supply chain for the cake decoration items. As we should know, we have many clients like from different places. They're not just asking for the cake board and the cake boxes. This product is very single for them, and they want SunShine to make more products and more service for them. So that's why after 1 year's running, we will become a one-stop service supplier for bakery items. As you can see, for the macarons and the cake toppers and the ribbons and the candles and except many different kind of products. So in here, in SunShine, we really want to provide our customer with more and more items and provide with them with better and better service. So this is our sample room, and the next step we will go to see the team, and we have next step is for the production room. Okay. Hi guys, let's say hello to my client. Hi! Yes? Okay, take a look here. You see, this is our photo. As you should know, SunShine team is full of energy and full of passion. In this team, we have different operations, the operation and the design and the sales and the merchandiser and the different. As you can see, it's really a one team. Okay, so this is our office and this is the sales team. Next step, we will go to the second floor for the production room. Let's get in here. Follow me. Here is the industrial room, industrial park. We have the office in the 4th floor, and our production room is in the 2nd floor and the 1st floor. So let's see the 1st floor for some machine to cut the material and to see how the cake board material come out. Let's follow me here. So when we purchase the material back, as this is the corrugated board, this is one shape, we will purchase the material back and use the machine to cut the shape. This is all the material for the aluminum foil, the white paper. We have machine to cut all the product, the material, into the different size and the different shape. And then we put into the 2nd floor to do the production. Yes. So this one is the aluminum foil, and our production master is making the cutting. And we are really working hard for this step. And after that, this is our warehouse room. So some products like when finished is ready for ship. So we will stay in this warehouse room and then waiting for the shipment. Okay, then let's go into the second floor. Coming here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 production lines for making the keyboard products. The workers are really working hard for the product, and it's really peak season for the product. For wrapping the edge, we use the handwork to make it, and for the base, and you can see for the top and the base, and this one you should be very familiar. It is the similar, and it's the products for your items. The back side and the front side by the machine. So this will be a very to speed up the production, not just by handwork. Like we use the machine, then you can to keep the quality, to guarantee the quality and to guarantee the production time. So the production capacity will be very good for you in here in SunShine. Right now, it's not a problem for the production capacity. Okay. Yeah, so this is the whole the production as right now. The kickboard products is still very big product. So right now it's still very many customers ordering for different colors and different materials. And this is what I say. I introduce to you, recommend to you the corrugated material, not just the strong board, but right now this is also very hit, and more customer is looking for this one, and they are ordering this one. Oh, so this is you make by hand to wrap the edge. As I also said, we already cut the scallop edge to make sure the surface is looking better. Yes, okay. Coming here is the packaging. Oh, the packaging team is also very busy too. Yeah, so it has many items already finished for delivery and for shipment. Okay. So here is the packaging team, like different types and different requests for the packaging, like 1 piece and maybe 5 pieces and 10 pieces and different packaging requests in here. And next month we will order one more machine for our customer, like to speed up the packaging and to match our production capacity. And I think this way will improve the whole production, and I'm sure this will be a very good chance. And also we are ready for taking the big order for different kind of packaging requests and the big quantity. And I think SunShine is ready now, so it's really good news, and I'm very happy that I can introduce this situation to you guys. And you see, and I hope in the end of this month, the meeting, we will have a very nice talk. And if you have any questions, and I will be very happy to provide my answer. And I'm sure we will still have a new start for this year. Thank you.
Welcome back to SunShine!